I got a good girl riding shotgun and a real one in the back on a floorboard. She likes to sing along to a wailing song. Good Lord, what more could I ask for? My kind of living is in the woods, sitting with a hound dog sniffing down a big buck trail. Palm bank fishing round a bonfire, picking cocaine, tipping when the sun sinks down. Sunday morning, amen, thanking God for all I've been given. It's my kind of living. Yeah, that's my kind of living. To some people it might sound a little strange, but if you're like me, you know what I mean when I say my kind of living. In the woods, sitting with a hand all sniffing down a big buck trail. Pine bank fishing round a bonfire, picking cocaine, tipping when the sun sinks down. Sunday morning, amen, thanking God for all I've been given. Well, it's a simple way of life, but I'd be damned if it isn't. It's my kind of living. Yeah, that's my kind of living. Yeah. Hey, thank you guys. Again. Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Styles. I'm here today with my buddy Barry here at TenPoint. We're going to be building some bows, showing y'all the factory. We're supposed to meet the owner, Rick, here today. We get to say what's up to him as well. We get to show y'all from the starting stage of how it ends. Play some music for the staff. Follow us, come on. Awesome. That's cool, man, that's very cool. And the other thing that is super cool is it's all American made right here. That's a big deal, man.
We're looking anywhere between 190 and 200.
People that come here and, lunch trucks.
That's great.
So we have lunch on Fridays.
Yeah, that's why you're successful.
3 or 4 days a week, or 3 or 4 times a year. Everybody gets 2 hours off, and I bring food trucks, and we hang out, outside, and just kind of, I give a speech or whatever to say, kind of where the state of the union is, right?
Yep.
And then, like a lot of people have been here a long time. We have people that walk to work,
Wow.
just kind of we got 130 people now, so, they're from all walks, all places, that type of thing. So,
Some of the guys in the factory have been there for 20 years.
I've got some pushing 25.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's impressive.
I'm going to get him back there to do this so they can go to lunch.
That's so cool, man. And if he's cool with being on the film, it'd be cool to get a couple shots of him talking about, our team up, and then also
Set it down anywhere. I'll tell Sean that you're going to do something so she can get the people together. Styles, this is Barb. She works in the marketing department. She also helps put all this together with Brian Flaherty.
Oh, I love Brian. Awesome.
The reason why he is here, he has a brand new video song that's coming out about his dad and teaching him how to hunt. He killed his very first deer. He grew up in Medina. Killed his very first deer with a TenPoint. I don't know how many years ago.
20 years
20
ago.
years ago.
Yeah, so again, my name's Styles. Nice to meet y'all. Your factory here is awesome. What you guys do is a really cool thing, and I love the bows and so much history for myself with TenPoint, and to get to come in here and meet y'all and check it out is extremely awesome. So you guys are badass. So yeah, I just signed a record deal with Warner Brothers in Nashville, and I'm originally from right here in Medina, and got to come back, play with some guys like Jake Owen, Tyler Farr. Was out with Dwight Yoakam for a while, so yeah, we're getting to do the thing. So excited to team up with y'all, and now play y'all some tunes. Here's a song. This song's called "On Your Way Back Down." I wrote this with Kenny Chesney's best friend Casey Beathard. Goes something like this. Granddaddy told Mama and Mama told me, Don't let them tell you what you can and can't be. Go and take that mountain if you wanna be king. You're climbing, just remember one thing. On your way up, don't you go forgetting your way back. Be proud of your side of the train tracks. Oh, instead just another bell from a haystack town. On your way up, be good to everybody you meet. 'Cause there's a good chance you're gonna see them again on your way back down. Keep your feet on the ground while you reach for the stars. Count your blessings like a kid counting tips in a jar. Know your true friends don't love you for the money. And don't go thinking that you're somebody on your way up. Don't you go forgetting your way back. Be proud of your side of the train tracks. Oh, instead just another bell from a haystack town. On your way up, be good to everybody you meet. 'Cause there's a good chance you're gonna see them again on your way back down. Oh yeah, on your way back down. Yeah, stay the one we all love to see coming, hate to see it going. Keep your mind on the seed you're sowing. On your way up, don't you go forgetting your way back. Be proud of your side of the train tracks. Oh, instead just another bell from a haystack town. On your way up, be good to everybody you meet. 'Cause there's a good chance you're gonna see them again on your way back down. Yeah, on your way up. Yeah, on your way up. Oh, you're gonna see them again on your way back down. All right. Get all the way down to this end.
So what happens is it comes off here. That room back there is a shooting room. So every bow, when it's done, gets handed off to 3 people in there. They shoot it twice. Really? And then it gets boxed, right? Comes back out here, they box it, and then it gets on pallets, and then the pallets go back into there.
Y'all, check this out. So I just noticed this. We're here at the TenPoint factory. And we got our buddies over at Big Shot Targets. Look at that. #1 target for crossbows right here. Big Shot Targets in the TenPoint factory. Come on. All right, guys, so we made it over to the outlet here, and we're gonna be sighting in these new bows. TenPoint. Hooked us up with 2 Havocs. We're gonna go sight them in. Come on, let's go check this out. It is so cool to see, again, like I've been telling Barry, to see how family oriented y'all are, and so, you know, homegrown, and all in-house and American made, man. It's just, that really makes me love the bows even more than I already did.
When people come to us with problems, if we don't know them, something's wrong, because everybody's been here forever and everybody knows everything. So people, when they buy a TenPoint crossbow, they don't know how good they really have it, because we've been around forever and everybody knows everything about it.
And man, that's a big deal, especially with any sort of product, because usually you're fighting trying to get a hold of somebody, and to have it a real shop like this that they can call and get a hold of real people that know the bows, that's a big deal.
Phones all day long, right?
That's a big deal, man. That's a very big deal. Bro, come on.
Gotta pass through. Hey, freezer me. Willie's gonna be happy. Wow. Oh yeah. Well, center point broadhead definitely did the trick. That's my Luminoc, but good blood on the arrow, good clean pass through. Well,
Good shot.
shouldn't go far. Oh yeah. Nice big doe. Game check. Mission correct. Instead of kill.
You can do a
Crossbow.
bourbon too, I know. North of 302.
Doe.